Hello friends, welcome to Finance MCQ. Friends, today we will discuss the latest vacancy in finance domain for this week. So let's start the video. Friends, first vacancy is a reminder vacancy. Name of organization is NHPC Limited. Here the post is trainee officer finance. Qualification asked is graduation with CA or CMA degree. Here the upper age limit is 30 years. Total number of vacancies are 99 and place of posting is all over India. Friends, these are permanent vacancy, no prior experience asked. Here your per month pay scale will be in the range of 50,000 to 1,60,000 and you have to apply through online mode by 25th January 2023. Friends, before we move on to the next vacancy, I would like to inform you that at Finance MCQ, we are offering various courses which covers your technical syllabus of the examination. There are many PSU exam courses available. As you can see on your screen, we are keep on adding new courses for preparation. So visit Finance MCQ website, take the demo of your course and start preparing for your examination. Website link and coupon codes are mentioned in the description box. I wish you all the best for your exam. Friends, next vacancy is from GAIL India Limited. The name of post is Senior Officer Finance and Accounts. Qualification asked is either a CA or CMA degree. You need to have membership number or you should have a BCom with 60% and MBA Finance with 65% marks or BA in Economics with 60% marks and MBA Finance with 65% marks. Friends, here the age limit is 28 years. Number of vacancies are 23. It's a all over India place vacancy and it's a permanent vacancy. Friends, you need to have 1 year of experience in finance or accounts department in state, central government, large private organizations. Here your per month pay scale will range from 60,000 to 1,80,000. It's a basic pay. Mode of application is online and you have to apply by 2nd Feb 2023. Friends, next vacancy is from Agriculture Insurance Company of India Limited. Name of post is Management Trainee. Here the qualification asked is graduation in any stream, specifically arts, science, commerce, agriculture, etc. with 60% marks. Here the upper age limit is 30 years. There are total 50 vacancy and place of posting will be all over India. It's a permanent vacancy, no prior experience asked. Here your initial per month pay scale will be 60,000 and after that you will be absorbed as administrative officer scale 1 grade. You have to apply through online mode by 5th Feb 2023. Friends, next vacancy is from LIC. Here the name of post is Assistant Administrative Officer Journalist. Qualification asked is graduation. Upper age limit is 30 years. There are total 300 vacancies and place of posting will be all over India. Friends, it's a permanent vacancy, no prior experience asked and here your per month salary will be approx 92,870. You have to apply through online mode by 31st January 2023. Friends, next vacancy is from MSME Technology Center. Name of post is Assistant Manager Admin and Accounts. Here the qualification asked is commerce graduate or any graduate with law, MBA, PGDBM or CA or CMA or equivalent. Here the upper age limit is 35 years. There is one vacancy, place of posting will be in Bhopal. It's a contractual post. You need to have 5 years of experience in journal administration or personal accounts in reputed manufacturing or government organization. Here your package will be 13 lakhs per annum. You have to apply through offline mode by 13th Feb 2023. Friends, next vacancy is from National Institute for the Empowerment of Persons with Visual Disabilities. Here the name of post is Accounts Officer. It's a direct recruitment. Qualification asked is graduate or BCom. Preference to candidate with SAS or higher qualification. Upper age limit is 45 years. There is one vacancy. Place of posting will be in Uttarakhand. Friends, it's a permanent vacancy. You need to have 5 years of experience. Here your package will be 9.5 lakhs per annum. Again, you have to apply through offline mode by 4th Feb 2023. Friends, next vacancy is from Shri Chitra Tirunal Institute for Medical Science and Technology. Here the name of post is Senior Accounts Officer. Qualification asked is graduation with CA or CMA intern or MCom or MBA Financial Management. Here the upper age limit is 45 years. There is one vacancy. Place of posting will be in Kerala. It's a permanent vacancy. And friends, you need to have 5 years of experience in supervisory in government, autonomous body, commercial institute, organization of repute and 7 years for MCom or MBA candidates. Here your package will be 12 lakh per annum. You have to apply through online mode by 29th Jan 23 and hard copy to be reached at their office by 3rd Feb 2023. Friends, next vacancy is from Tata Institute of Fundamental Research. Name of post is clerk trainee. Qualification asked is graduation. Here the upper age limit is 28 years. There are total 6 vacancy. Place of posting will be in Mumbai. Friends, these are contractual vacancies. No prior experience asked. Here your per month stipend will be rupees 15,000 per month, and there is a walk-in interview on 4th Feb 2023. So that's all for this week, friend. I hope you find this vacancy useful. Do share with your friends and family whom you find that these vacancies might be useful, and I will see you all next week with all the latest updates. So thank you so much for watching this video till the end.